Hi friends, welcome to Altseason. Friends, in this video, we are going to see about the market update and how the market is going to behave because of the recently ETF has been approved. So the Ethereum ETF has been approved, but they are not allowing the trading as of now. So they are going to allow the trading within 1 month. And now, before that, I am asking you to follow our Telegram channel and other social media links given in the description. If you find here our Telegram channel, you will get all updates here. So more than 2000 people have been following us in Telegram. So follow all our social media links, you will get the unique content. And so friends, let's jump into the market analysis. So the first thing we need to see about the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin in 12-hour time frame, we can clearly observe that it has been formed the right inverse head and shoulder pattern. So in inverse head and shoulder pattern, basically here if you see the how we are going to measure the inverse head and shoulder pattern is we need to draw the line like this. If you keep here approximately here, if you find the 74,000 to $75,000 target is still it is waiting. So now the big consolidation is taking place, and then BTC is moving, trying to move upwards. And if you are doing the trades, do now in a low leverage. Why? Because today the US markets are not working because of the Memorial Day of the US. It has the market holiday. And the next important thing is Ethereum. So Ethereum, because of this ETF stuff news, Ethereum has been with a giant up. We can see the two candles. So that the day totally Ethereum has been risen. And then the next important thing is it taken here the buyer sale liquidity, and now it is trying to break its resistance level $3,950. So if it crosses the resistance level, then we can observe that approximately 4,500 to $4,800 of the target. If you see here properly, as of now, it broken this important resistance trend line. So anytime if you observe that if any trend line is broken like this, so the top of the price of the trend line will be the target. So the target is around 4,1100. Still, it is waiting. And if BTC or ETH reaches to its previous all-time high targets like 74,000 and 4,100, there are more than 5 to 6 billion shorts who have been waiting. They all will be liquidated at that moment. And the next important thing we need to see that USDT dominance. So USDT dominance, if you observe that properly, it made the head and shoulder pattern, but it not reached to the proper area. And if you observe here clearly, now it is going beyond the downside. So I am expecting 4% level will be the retest level for the USDT dominance. And in weekly time frame, I need to show you a very important thing here where you need to decide that in further trades how you are going to behave. So here if you observe that this trend line is an important support trend line. From the past 5 to 6 years, this trend line has been drawn. So if you observe that much duration of the trend line, if anything happened in the towards the trend line, there will be the huge breakout. So I am expecting after restating the 4%, then the market will going to retest again this 5.6%. So when it is retesting, I am thinking that all crypto you may get very good opportunity by area. So this will be happen mostly between the end of the June and end of the September. So between these 3 months, July, August, September, be ready. You are going to grab a high opportunity of the crypto. So who missed as of already who have been purchased, that is one more buying opportunity do for DCA when it is and do for the long scams at that moment. And then the next important thing is Bitcoin dominance. So if you observe the Bitcoin dominance, it has been broken this important trend line support. Now it is clearly confirmed that as of now we are going to start the Altseason. So if you clearly see here, the weekly candle has been opened from this trend line. So it has been broken. It has been confirmed. So when it is a confirmation of Altseason. So mostly what will happen like this type, most of the time market will react okay to grab the liquidities. So be with low leverage trades that will give you more profit. So it will do like this. In this moment, lots of longs who are going with the alternates, they will so do better retest confirmations. Then only go for longs. But this is the moment purchase your all altcoins. Okay, what of the friend? you have kept us safe. That is the best thing as of. And the next is ETH BTC. It is, if you observe it clearly, from 2022 to 2024, it is 2 years, more than 27 months resistant line is trying to break. Once if it broken properly, you will see the huge breakout. And here also, if you observe the from 2020, the lows of 2020 and as of the new low of this 2024, this is the important trend line where it is retesting. So if Bitcoin is going to retest above dominance, then ETH will do like this. So this is the best thing. If you do like that is the best long trade we will get. If it is continually broken from here, there is a lots of chance to come downside. So these are the market principles. They have to follow how the nature principles is to follow. And the next important thing is dollar index. We need to see the dollar index. Why the dollar index is important? Dollar index is the indicator of the economy. If the dollar index is growing, that indicates that economy is bad condition. So now dollar index it's tried to break its old 107 area of the resistance, but it has been not successfully and it has been rejected from that area. And here also clearly if you observe that RSI is showing the downwards and MACD is clearly shown the bearish signal here. It is trying to break the bearish signal. Once it's broken like this, and the upcoming data which is coming in the Fed on 30 May and 31st May, if the data is comes positive from the market, then we will see the massive breakouts in whole crypto. And then the important thing is we need to see the SP 500. So SP 500 as for now it has been going like rapidly in the direction, and I thought it will take the retest around 4,800 rupees, but it retested very less area compared to that only 5,000 points, only 4,950 area it has retested and it is going up. So now what is the conclusion? How we need to see the market? In the total market, if you see the new money is coming in the market. So previously the $3 trillion, which was the all-time high, it will be more double or triple. Why? Because Bitcoin ETFs has been approved, ETHs has been approved. Upcoming days, Solana, XRP, other cryptocurrencies also going to approve. Because of this, lots of pension funds and other funds they are coming to the market. So the liquidity will increase, stability of the market is going to increase. So in future, never think that markets are going to react like this. The upcoming days, crypto is going to be more stable. How you can see the gold, other silver. So they will behave like the commodities. So better to grab the opportunity after this 2030 cycle. Maybe we are not going to see this much of the returns. So friends, be careful and do the trades without energy. So stay tuned with Crypto Vultures. Have a nice day. Signing off.